Are you curious about the new 2 euro coins in 2022? Then let's unbox these new arrivals uncirculated 2 euro coins together. Here we have some of them. Let's see what we got here. Let's open this roll first. Let's unbox this one first. Wow. Here we got one roll of 25 2 euro coins 2022 from Latvia, which I didn't decide yet if I should open it or not. If you think I should open it, then leave the comments below. As you can see, this one are from 2022. Let's see what we got here. So here we got the 2 euro coin 2022 from Slovenia. You can see they are uncirculated. Here another 2 euro coin 2022 from Spain. And here we got another from Estonia, I think. Yes, from Estonia, 2022. These are all coins from 2022. Another uncirculated coin from Spain, 2022. So we got two from Spain, two different. And this one is from Portugal, 2022, uncirculated condition. So this was just a simple unboxing video. If you want to know how much this one are worth and how many copies have they made, then you have to wait until next week. I'll make a video for each coin that I showed today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.